Two more Traveller's notebooks that I've made. This was part of the 6 or 7 that I started last week. I think I'd made them last Friday, Saturday, put them all together, and I've just been working on them throughout the week. So like I said, the last 2. This one is made using a digital kit from Artie Mays called Sweet Rose, and this one is, I think it's Back to Nature. So I will show you this one first. Both measure 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. Both have 80 pages front and back in each one. So that is the cover, and it's the organza ribbon isn't attached. So I've just sewn this onto some tea or coffee dyed paper, and I've titled it Journal. This is the first page. Here we have a pocket. This was out of my scrapbox, and just make sure I'm in frame. This is from the kit. I've got some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. I will link the shops below, and a handmade tag. We have a doily, a dictionary page, some Edith Holden, some edge punching here, some digital music paper, some ephemera here, some lined paper, some crocheted trim, some stamping. We have a pocket here with some ephemera and a tag and a journaling card, and this flips out. This is a Terry Woods creation. You can find Terry on YouTube. The word here is called create, well, it says create, and I've just backed that onto some coffee dyed paper and some fabric, and then just pop that on there. The words I got from Crafty Emporium, which is Carol Tinson's group on Facebook, and this was a freebie that she gave away. And there's other words in this. I think there's like 4 or 5 sheets of different words and things that you can use in your journals. Some more stamping, some digital paper, a pocket here from the kit, a tag, journaling card, some ephemera. Now, I was in bed for 2 days because I didn't feel very well. I had like a fever and I just slept constantly, and I have got a ton of messages to get back to, and I will do that on my website, on Facebook, on YouTube, and it is regarding some of the journals that I've made this week. This is an envelope. I'll show you the envelope. I've had some requests for some of the journals that I've made, and I'm not taking on any custom orders till February, and then it is limited. I can't do custom order for everyone. I'll probably only do about 4 a month, and that allows me to try and get one done every week amongst doing my other stuff, because my custom orders I tend to do at the weekends. Flip. So yeah, I will get back to all you ladies who I'll try and get that done tomorrow, because I'm now playing catch up. Some ephemera here and a tag and a pocket. I will probably have to put a little notice on my website about custom orders, because I am only me, I can only do so many. This is a journaling card inside an envelope. And I do enjoy, I love making journals, don't get me wrong, but I don't like the pressure that comes with custom orders. That's why I'm only doing a few a month. Here's another Terry Woods pocket. We have a tag from the kit, another tag that I've made, journaling card. This says notes. Again, this is from Crafty Emporium, and this all flips out. Where's my paper clip? Oh, let's put them in first. There we go. if I haven't already mentioned, there's crocheted trim, some lined paper, we have a flip out here, and some ephemera, and a journaling card. Edge punching, Edith Holden, dictionary page, doily. We have a pocket here. This word here is from Dreams Etc. Can't remember the name of the kit, but it's just some of the words from that kit. Tag, some ephemera, and another journaling card. And that is that one. So you can see there's quite a lot going on there. So I will just move this to one side and show you the other one. So this is a nature themed one, and that is the cover. Slip that off. And again, this is from Artie Mays. The word here is from Artie Mays, and it's timeless. Again, I've just backed it onto some cardstock and then some fabric. This image has been sewn onto some paper, some fabric, and there's cheesecloth in the background. And I love this image from the kit. So we'll do a quick flip. We have a pocket. We have some ephemera. We have a tag from the kit. A little double mason jar. We have a doily, some dictionary paper, some Edith Holden, an envelope. There's nothing in the envelope. There is stuff attached to the other side of it though. Well, tucked in. We have this ticket from the kit, this journaling card from the kit. Love the staining of this paper. Some crocheted trim. We have here another pocket that flips out. Again, it's Terry Woods. Oh, that hasn't gone in properly. And we have a tag, some ephemera, I think it was behind there, journaling card and a ticket from the kit, and just pops in there. We have a doily, some edge punching. Oh, love the owl. Pocket here with a tag, journaling card and some ephemera. Have a doily, some more book pages, Edith Holden. We have a little tiny envelope here, the journaling card inside. That doesn't want to go back in, there we go. And this is just a flip out. I like how the lines come out in this because I've done that on the in the grill pan in my oven. Centre of signature, and we have another one of these. Just additional journaling space. Flip out, dictionary page doily. We have a pocket here with a ticket, a tag and some ephemera. It says adventure awaits. And another Terry Woods flip out, and we have a little, is this a double journaling card? I think it is. Double journaling card, tag from the kit, handmade tag and some ephemera. Oops. Here we have a flip, we have this journaling card on there, an envelope inside there. that way. Whoops. Flip out here, dictionary page, doily, and a corner pocket. Pockets from the kit. We have a double mason jar here. Tag, another tag, and some ephemera. So like I said, I will link the shops below, and I will link my shop below where these will be listed. And if you have any questions, fire away, and thank you all for watching. Bye.